In this video, I'll show you how to use Notion AI. First, open Notion and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open an existing page or create a new one where you want to use AI. Next, click anywhere on the page and type /AI, then select Ask AI from the menu. You can also click the Ask AI button if it's available in your workspace. Now, enter a prompt describing what you want Notion AI to do. You can ask it to write content, summarize notes, brainstorm ideas, improve your writing, translate text, or create an outline. Then press enter and wait a few moments while Notion AI generates a response. After that, review the result. If you'd like to make changes, ask a follow-up question or generate another version until you're satisfied. Once you're happy with the output, insert it into your page or continue editing it manually. Finally, save your page. You can keep working with Notion AI whenever you need help writing, organizing information, or generating new ideas. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Notion AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.